Annapolis are up 11.9% from last year, and indications support stable prices continuing. It's Friday, May 19th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. The zip code with the biggest home price increase is 21409, which is up 21.4% from last year. 21403 prices rose 17.5%, and 21401 rose 0.7%. Right now, Annapolis has 90 homes for sale in all three active zip codes, and only 8 new ones hit the market since my last report. 27 homes are poised to hit the market as coming soon. 26 went under contract and 26 sold over the past week. See what's happening there? 27 will come on the market and 26 are selling in 6 days at 93.6% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in Wardour for $2,200,000. There are 22 homes for sale at a median $2,775 per month, and these have been on the market for 11 days. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 19th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.